I'm pretty sure you already know this website. Well, it's Google. It's a search engine. It's the most popular search engine out there, and people says that it knows it all. What if I told you that there is a free way in which you can make money with Google? Yes, there is no investment required, and if you consider that you don't have the skills, you don't have the knowledge, don't worry. I'm going to show you everything step by step so you can start making money right away. Okay, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can use this simple but really powerful website to make money online. Okay. By the way, guys, keep watching the entire video because I want to make sure that you're going to be earning the most. And at the end of the video, guys, I'm going to show you another way. Yeah, there's going to be a bonus. There's going to be another way in which you can earn even more money online. So if you're interested, keep watching this video. Now, we know Google, right? We know it knows it all. So we are gonna go to a website that is called skillshop.withgoogle.com. Skillshop.withgoogle.com. Skillshop with Google. It helps you master the Google tools, and it's 100% free online training. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can take it. It's gonna help you develop your skill. Okay, with e-learning courses designed by Google products experts. Okay, you're going to be able to learn at your own pace and get a Google product certificate. Okay, you're going to be certified by Google that you are a master on their tools. Okay, you're going to learn the full potential of the Google products. You're going to know or have the skills with the know-how. And you're going to be able to find success with these skills. Okay, these are the trainings that you can get. Remember, they're 100% free. Okay, and you're going to be certified by Google. That's really, really powerful. The first one is Google Ads. Okay, you're going to be helping companies or people by using Google. So they're going to be, those ads that shows up on YouTube, that shows up on Google when you're doing the search engine. Most people don't know how to do it. And more important, they don't know how to do it correctly. So that's the reason why most companies are burning money. And you are going to be a Google ad expert. You're going to be certified by Google. You're going to also have the opportunity to help businesses with Google My Business. Okay, this is like a special profile for businesses. And most people don't know they can set it up so they can have the opportunity, to have or attract people who are looking for certain niches. For example, people who are looking to go to a restaurant. Maybe they are, trying to find an Italian restaurant. Okay, so you are going to be able to help companies and help people. Okay, you are also going to have the opportunity to master the Google Ad Manager. Okay, so you can earn revenue by helping companies and people earning revenues from their ads. If you're more into the analytical part, you can be a Google Analytics expert. Okay, so you can understand everything by conversion rate, click-through rate, and all this stuff. Okay, and also you can go with Waze, that really powerful map that everybody is using. Okay, you can help people put ads on Waze. Okay, these are, the trainings that you can get. There are others like Google Ad Mobile for mobile devices, authorized buyers, Google Marketing Platform. Okay, they are 100% free. Let's say that you're going to go with the Google Ads training. Okay, you can take them all. Okay, no worries. It's not okay, I have to go with one or the other. On the Google Ad training, you can have the Google Ad certification. Okay, here, for example, if you want to go with specific, maybe, okay, you just want to go with Google Ads for search, or Google Ads videos, or maybe the shopping ads. You can be, really, really specific. You can master all, or you can go with one at a time. Let's say that we're going to go with Google Ads certification. Okay, so you're going to learn everything about how to put ad on the display networks, on the search engine, on the YouTube channel, the shopping ads, and all that stuff. So these are the training. Okay, you're going to be learning everything from the basic, right, to really, really advanced. Okay, for example, you can go with the Google Ads certification. These trainings are really, really fast. It's not that you need to invest 30 days to be certified by Google. No, if you decide, for example, to go with the Google Ad Display certification, this is at a beginner level. Okay, you can complete this in less than 3 hours. Okay, if you're gonna go with Google Ads video certification, okay, this is specific for YouTube and YouTube videos, right? So you can complete it in 4 hours. Okay, so let's say that we're gonna go with the Google Ad Display certification. Okay, here is it. Okay, so you can see you're gonna complete it in 2.6 hours. It's for beginners. Okay, you're gonna, first of all, you're gonna get prepared. Okay, you're gonna study the lessons. This is the very first step. Okay, so you need to click here and you're gonna be able to access the trainings. Okay, here where it says get started, you're gonna be able to access the training. You're gonna be able to be certified by Google with the Google Ads display certification. Okay, once you finish this training, remember, you can finish them all, or you can be like, okay, I'm gonna be going one at a time. Maybe I want to go with Google Ads. Okay, that's what I want to master. I'm gonna be wondering about the others next, or no, I'm gonna go with Google Ads, but I want to be a master on the search engine. I'm really not interested on YouTube ads. Okay, you can be as specific as you want. But you might be wondering, like, okay, now I have all this knowledge, where I can find, these people who are looking to hire me. Okay, where I can find for jobs, where I can find for companies who are, seeking, to solve this problem. Well, I'm going to show you that in a moment. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, please let me know, okay, if you are enjoying watching YouTube videos, or maybe you prefer to click on the Google Ads. Okay, put it in the comment area. And if by any chance you're having some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Now, let me show you how you are going to be able to find these companies and people who are looking for solutions, and you can provide them solutions. Okay, first, you can go to a website that is called People Per Hour. Okay, People Per Hour is a website in which companies and people are going to be, looking for freelancers. Okay, they're going to be looking for freelancers like you. They have a problem and they're looking, to have the solution. Okay, you're going to click here where it says search, and you're going to be searching for a project. Okay, you're going to be searching for a project. In this case, I use Google Ads Manager. Okay, I want to see what people are actually looking for and how much money they're willing to pay. For example, this person, he or she it doesn't matter where you are, because this is going to be a remote position. Okay, they say that I need someone to build and manage or Google Ads and shop, and they're paying $151. That's a fixed price. Okay, this person, the same. They're looking for someone who can handle the PPC, which is pay-per-click, and manage Google Ads. Again, they are willing to pay $151. Okay, here we have someone with Facebook campaign, someone with Google Tag Manager, $76. If if you're a Turkish Google Ads expert, they're willing to pay $497. Okay, but there are also people who are looking to have long-term relationships. For example, we have this person. They're looking for someone who it's gonna be adding their news website to Google News, and they're gonna be paying $41 per hour. If you go with the Google Shopping or this Google Shopping certification, this company in the UK is willing to pay you $67 per hour, and so on. So you're gonna see that there are a lot of opportunities here, and this is just page number 1. This is to go with people per hour, but also you can show yourself that you are an expert. Okay, you can go to, for example, Fiverr.com, and we can go to Google Ads. Okay, we can go to Google Ads, and we can see that these people, for example, this person or this agency, okay, it's helping people set up their Google Ads campaign, and the starting price is $190. But these other people, they are telling you that they are going to create a Google ad marketing strategy and increase the return of investment. The starter price is $580, and if I click on that gig, you're going to see that this is basic Google AdWords setup. Okay, they are going to audit the Google Ads account and create and optimize one campaign, just one campaign. No, they are not creating more than that. The basic plan is $580. They have a standard price with $1,200, okay, which they're going to be creating 2 campaigns, okay? And they have also the premium plan, which they're going to be creating 3 campaigns for scratch, and it's going to be $1,500, okay? So people are really, really looking to solve this problem. As you can see, they have 1 order on queue. They have 107 reviews so far. Everything is 1 star. Okay, everything is 1 star, and you're gonna have all this knowledge. There is a third website, guys, in which you can offer your services. This is another website that is called Upwork. Okay, here you can upload your resume so people can find for experts, or you can also find projects, okay, as in people per hour. For example, we have this guy, and look at this. He is a Google certified. He has been certified. Okay, he is actually an expert on Google Bing Ads. Okay, PPC, which is pay per click, and he is a conversion specialist. He has earned over $100,000 so far. Okay, he is charging $47 per hour. Okay, he is certified. You're gonna see here, Google Analytics certified, Google certified partner. Okay, Google Ads certified. Remember when I showed you at the beginning? Okay, here is it. These are the certifications. This is the same training this guy took, and he is telling people, hey, I am not anybody. I am a Google partner certified. Okay, I have more certifications, so people know that he knows what he's doing. Okay, here we have another person. He is also writing out, like, he is certified Google Ad. Okay, he's a ninja, right? So he's an expert. He is certified by Google. Again, he has earned over $100,000 just because he's certified by Google, and you can be certified as well. That's really, really important, guys. So there is a lot of opportunities out there, but you need, to take the time to learn the skills, and have the certification. Again, the trainings are really short and sweet. Okay, you need to put the hours. This doesn't need to be, a full-time job. You can have it as a part-time job, and even in the future, it can replace your full-time job. Okay, by the way, guys, I know this is active work. This is a great way to make money online. But if you're looking to make passive income, I mean, making money while you travel, making money while you sleep, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendation to make money online. Okay, I hope you find this content valuable. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. Please share this content if you find it valuable, and I see you on the next video.